Rajat and Alisha, a couple from Delhi, are apprehensive about stepping out of their homes with the rise in COVID-19 infections in the country. It has been months since Alisha has taken her skin and hair treatment, and Rajat has added more than a few kilos working from home since the lockdown. While trying to look for weight loss programs and skin and hair treatment under the same roof, they search on Google and stumble upon Vibes. Upon calling the nearest Vibes center to book an appointment, they are made aware of the reservation-only walk-ins policy and asked to fill an online form for confirming the booking, without which entry or appointments are prohibited. They are also notified of the standard hygiene practices and the mandate that no one will be allowed to enter the premises without a mask. Once their booking is confirmed, they head over to the Vibes Center where they are greeted with a namaste to avoid contact, and the check-in process begins. The process begins on their entry. Arogya app status is checked and body temperature is checked using infrared thermometer. While they stand at their respective 2-meter distancing markings, they are individually asked to sanitize their hands with an alcohol-based sanitizer. When their check-in is complete, Rajat and Alisha are attended by a consultant who briefed the couple about the services and the one client, one room policy. Both Alisha and Rajat are escorted to their respective rooms by a consultant wearing a full face protection shield or mask. Rajat notices that the therapist present in the slimming room is also equipped with the face shield and gloves. Rajat is seeing the attendant is cleaning the machines and other equipment with a sanitizer with 70% alcohol content. Meanwhile, Alisha is offered a seat that is sanitized just then by the well-equipped consultant along with the tools that have to be used. As Alisha settles, she is shown that all the material that comes in contact with the client are fresh and will be disposed after a single use. Alisha is comforted to know that the whole area is mopped and all surfaces are cleaned 4 times a day using Lysol diluted with water and 1% sodium hypochlorite. Moreover, all possible contact points like doorknobs, tools, beauty equipment are disinfected with sanitizer. Upon completion of the services, the couple is asked to make the payment, preferably through digital mediums. Happy with the safe and satisfying Vibes experience, Alisha and Rajat gave 5 stars to the service on Google Feedback and head back home with a wide smile on their faces. The couple books next appointment slot while leaving.